my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away.
Good morning. Good morning. I am Nicole Nikki Farah. I am Nikki Farah on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Y'all, I'm so excited because if you haven't noticed, I have been really consistent. And this was all a test to see if I can check in with y'all every day, and if I could, I would give y'all long format videos because y'all asked for it, and guess I want to give it. And I've dibbled and dabbled, and we're going for it. We're gonna do it. Good morning, Cam. So thank you for spending the morning with me. Today is a hair day, so I have to go and get my hair done. But something about me, whenever it's time to like get my hair done, I just like washing my hair beforehand. Like, let me get it clean for you, and then you can clean it again when you're ready. Cause I don't know, it's just like, I've said it before, I will clean my house before the cleaning lady comes over. I'm that kind of person. Anywho, so that's what we got on the books for today. A little bit of work in the morning, and we need to cook for ourselves because we're hungry. I'm hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and cook. And then my hairstylist, both of our birthdays are on the same day. This is so crazy. I have to tell y'all the whole story, and I will on the way to her hair appointment. So excited about it. We'll tell y'all more about that, and just like our morning routine. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, it's almost time for me to go. Hair day. And normally I get my lashes done from a Korean lady, but I'm gonna do them myself because I could technically run down there and get them done. Probably faster than it would take for me to do them myself, but you know when you just be in that mood to like do stuff, that's me. And don't have no time to even be doing all this. But y'all are not stable, so I actually cannot leave you here, but I'm getting ready to head to my hair appointment. I'm going to be right on time, which is crazy because I had so much time, and then I ended up just prepping another wig for her as opposed to the wig that I dropped off because I want a different style. And then my scalp was really like sore and just not feeling it, so I don't want a wig that's glued down. I'd rather have a wig that's on and off. Okay, not the sun eating me up. Anywho, so now it's just time to get to my girl, and I'm gonna have to put y'all down because between the sun and all, it's raggedy. The light is getting ready to blind me. We gotta go in. We're a few minutes late, and but I look pretty though. You see this? I have to record one video and then we can run in there like now. Okay, let me record my video and then we'll go.
Could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me you So show me that you understand how to make it. Can you blow my mind?
Don't play with you. Girl, it looks so good. Oh, y'all, does my hair not look great? Y'all, my hair is done. My hair is done and I look beautiful. I literally look so beautiful. I can't even. She has the same birthday as me. She is a Capricorn queen. And it's the fact that like my hair looks like if I were to do it. And that means so much to me because like I don't trust everybody with my hair. But like it looks like I did it, which means it looks great. Cause y'all know I do hair. So to be able to go to somebody and give me what I would give myself but better is crazy because the braids she did in my head I could not do. So off top is better. I'm literally about to head home and try to force a date out of my boyfriend. You gotta take me somewhere, walk me around Walmart, something, because I literally look so good. I literally look so good. This is so crazy. It's something about a fresh hairstyle, but furthermore, it's something about a fresh hairstyle when you don't have to do it. When your hair is done, but they're not full of glue. They don't have hair all over it. Your living room ain't dirty. I love this. Let's head back home, okay?
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder.
All right. I'm home. My man's here. Yay. Now I gotta figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. I wanted Thai food again, like Thai food we had last night. And he won't let me have it. And I mean, he's right. That's good. You know. Hi, mama's baby. Mama's back home. Hi. So sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Let me set y'all up. It's funny because y'all know I don't be doing this, and I had posted a vlog. Yo, my hair looks so good. I had posted a vlog and the girl was like, your camera's shaky, get it together. And I'm like, oh. But I just got here. It's like my third day here. Anywho, I don't have my tripod, but I'm home and my hair looks good. Just want to tell y'all that this was a, let me just hold y'all up. This was a get your hair done with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see y'all more. I will definitely see y'all more. My hair literally looks so good. If you're in Charlotte, book my girl exclusive.essence. My girl Tony with the same birthday as me. You will love it. Anywho, yeah, y'all want to do this again tomorrow? Let's do this again tomorrow.